In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an appointment calendar to Jotform. Let's get started by diving directly into Jotform, a versatile platform for creating custom forms with ease. First things first, you'll need to log into your Jotform account. Once you're in, head over to the My Forms section. Here, you will find a list of all your available forms. Select the form you'd like to add the appointment calendar to and click on Edit Form. This will open the Form Builder interface where you can start making the desired modifications. Moving on to adding the appointment field, you'll want to focus on the left panel of your screen where you will see an option labeled Add Form Element. Click on it, and you'll notice various tabs appear, such as Basic and Widgets. Navigate to the Widgets tab. You can either scroll through the list of widgets or use the search bar to quickly find the one you're looking for. Enter Appointment into the search bar, and once you locate the appointment widget, simply drag and drop it onto your form where you want the calendar to appear. With the appointment widget now on your form, it's time to configure its settings. Click on the appointment field and then click the gear icon to access the widget settings. Here, you can customize your calendar to perfectly suit your booking needs. Begin by setting the available days and hours that users can book through the form. This ensures that appointments are only scheduled when you are available. Next, specify the duration of each appointment, such as 30 minutes. You can also add breaks to block out times when you're unavailable, like lunch hours, and importantly, set the time zone so that it aligns with either your schedule or that of your audience. Additionally, for more granular control, you can limit the number of appointments per time slot, add buffer times between appointments, and even allow same-day bookings if necessary. Once you've configured the appointment settings, you'll want to customize your form even further. Consider adding standard fields like name, email, and phone to collect essential appointment details. You can also include a confirmation message or set up a thank you page to display after someone has completed their booking. Before going live with your form, it's crucial to test your appointment calendar. Preview the form to ensure everything looks right and functions properly. Pay careful attention to the calendar to make sure it displays accurately and effectively prevents double bookings. While optional, enabling email notifications for each new booking is highly recommended so that you're always in the loop. You can also choose to integrate the appointment calendar with Google Calendar to automatically keep track of bookings. For those looking to create more advanced workflows, consider using services like Zapier or Integromat to enhance your form's functionality. And there you have it. You've successfully added an appointment calendar to your Jotform. With these steps, you can seamlessly handle bookings and manage your schedule right from your form, providing great convenience to both you and your users. Thank you for watching and happy form building.